Today I will show you simplest way how to create custom GPT. These custom GPTs are capable of generating personalized text, images, and more. But imagine tailoring one to your specific needs. With your custom GPT, the sky's the limit. First, you'll need to have ChatGPT Plus account for $20 per month. Let's walk through an example. Say I want my GPT to write personalized script for my YouTube videos. In the left panel, I click on the Explore button. Here I can see all GPTs including those pre-made by OpenAI. I click on the Create a GPT button, and now use Chat to set up my GPT. In the first step, I specify the focus of my GPT and confirm or edit the name. I then set the GPT image and define the focus of my YouTube channel. Ideally, I also add a transcript of a few successful videos from your channel using tactic.io and embed them using the paperclip icon. After that, all you have to do is save the GPT and start using it. That's all. Easy, right? I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. Thank you for subscribing and leave a comment if anything interests you. Also check out other interesting videos from the Extra Income channel.